Hello class, today I'm going to be tackling the first of the webtotal problems, which is to end up using the repeat function. Let's see, to start off with show turtle, just to show my work here. I like to move this guy a little bit over. So let's start off with left 90 and move 70. Okay, here he is over there. And then we are going to make sure that he's oriented properly. Flip him around 180 degrees. So to use the repeat function to make a shape, I want to make something more interesting than a triangle. Maybe a star. So let's do, let's make it orange, color 3 if I'm not mistaken, and size 2 just to see it. Or thick, that's it. Thick 2. Okay. Now draw a line of 125. Let's see how that looks. That looks pretty good. Okay. So then comes the tricky part. We're going to repeat this 4 more times. So repeat 4. And move it to the right 144 degrees, then draw another line of the same length, and then next. That should repeat several times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to create a star. Okay, thank you very much.